Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it, action blocked on Instagram. So how you can fix it? So first thing you need to try is that you just take this error from Instagram team, because you just make too much liking or commenting, or just direct message to someone too much. So after you just receive this error, so you need to wait some time. Sometimes it's a few hours, sometimes it can be a few days. So you just need to wait until Instagram will unblock for you this action, and you can make this action again. And also you can try to change your network, so I will show you how you can do it. So just take your phone and open the settings, and in the settings, if you're using Wi-Fi, just try to use mobile data and turn off Wi-Fi. And if you